Hi guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Google services in this Huawei unit P40. So this is from my friend Rose. She recently bought this phone. Unfortunately, if you're familiar with the trade war between the US and China when Trump was still president, this particular brand has been affected. And if you try to check on the software that's pre-installed in this brand, in particular in this unit, there isn't any Google services, and that's what I'm going to solve for today. We're going to install Google services in this phone. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so for the first step, what you need to do is you need to open up a browser, and then you need to find where going to install VMOS. It's a virtual machine operating system, so we can download any software that we need to install your Huawei unit. And then once you're in this website, you just have to download. Yeah, that's it, VMOS. So all you need to do, you just have to click on VMOS Pro download, and then click on download, and then just wait for everything to finish, and then we can go and install this software, which is an APK, to your phone unit. So once done with the download, all you need to do is you just need to open it up. Okay, permission, don't ask me, just click on allow, and then that should do it. Install, and then just wait for everything to install, and then we're gonna proceed to the next part. Done. And then just tap on here, draw over other apps, and then go back, and then allow VMOS Pro to make and manage phone calls. Allow all the time, allow. And then after that, all you need to do is click on ROM 7.1, just click on add, wait for it to install. And then once done installing the ROM, all you need to do is click on VM settings, and then go to Google services, enable that, confirm. Just need to wait until it completely installs the following. Click on complete. The installation of the plugin was successful, I think. And then when it installs Google services completely, you have to scroll down and go to background keep alive. Just enable that, click on allow, and after that all you need to do is to reboot. Click on that, click on shut down, I know, and then after that you just have to click on this again, click on the play button. Okay, it's booting up. And then after it boots up, as you enter the ROM again, if you click on this arrow here, you'll be able to open up the Play Store, Google Play Store, and install anything that you need for your phone. And that's it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you and bye.